What's up, everyone? Adam Grayford here. I'm on the MSC Seashore. I'm in a deluxe balcony room. This is room 11082. Just gonna show you guys around a little bit. Alright, so this is as you're coming into the entrance. As soon as you get in, you have your key card thing here for the lights, keep the power on. You have a do not disturb and a make my room button, which lights up a little light outside the cabin. Then right next to it is the bathroom. And then over here we have our thermostat. Moving on, this is the bed, all my stuff, packing up. Today's our last day. On this side you have some shelves, safe, pool towels, cabinets, and then you pull this over. And on this side are your hangers and a little spot there to set your luggage on. Some lights. Okay. Over on this side we have a gigantic mirror. Good size TV that swivels. On this side, some more lights, and there's a USB port. Got the couch, and over on this side we have some more drawers and things to store stuff. Here we got a margarita, another mirror, some shelves, mini bar, like a table that pulls out. Alrighty, and then we got the balcony. A couple chairs. Alright, and that is it. This is room 11082 on the MSC Seashore. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll hopefully do more videos soon.